Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower crisper pan in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower crisper pan. The lower crisper pan is located at the very bottom of the fresh food compartment and could be used for storing vegetables and fruits. The main reason for the lower crisper pan to be replaced is if it's broken or is cracked, making it impossible to pull out and push it in. Let's open the refrigerator door. To remove the lower crisper pan, all we need to do is just pull this thing out. This is the old lower crisper pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new lower crisper pan, all we need to do is just slide it onto the rails. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.